So welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go through a trade I took. Actually, there were a couple of trades I took. I lost one trade. Then there was a trade on NFP day, which was actually a winner. So I want to go through that with you as well. So without further ado, let's hop on to the charts and let me walk you through the trades potentially that happened this week. Okay, so starting us off, we have both trades were actually on GBP USD. So if we look at Euro GBP, just for asset correlation, first trade was at this spike, so on a Thursday and a Friday, okay? So on this Thursday, I was bearish because this candle hadn't formed. Now, something that happened is we had a very huge spike to the upside. Now, this could have indicated to me that we were going to be bullish for the day, but for me, it could have still come back and retraced all the way down here, and we would have still been bearish. So following my mechanical plan, I was looking for longs on GBP USD because Euro is bearish, so pound is the stronger pair to buy, or the currency to buy. So coming in on Thursday right here, this is where I took the trade. Look at Thursday. Yep. So looking back on it, it is to my plan, but there are definitely things to improve, which I already told you in this video, which is that we were looking very, very bearish. So maybe it's not the best thing to buy. So this is exactly where I got in. There was a break of structure around here, and I got in somewhere around EQ, around here. And yeah, pretty much we got stopped out somewhere like that, okay? So this was the first trade I took, which was a loss. And to be fair, this whole week is actually a negative -1% week, but that's fine because it's just the start of the month, so it's fine, okay? Now, in terms of this, we were actually bullish on Euro GBP now, which means that Euro is better to buy, pound is better to sell. Knowing that, on NFP, I personally don't like to trade, but if you were trading, if it's very mechanical, like people in my community, my mentorship, I literally tell them that backtest and find what works for you. If NFP works for you, great, trade it. For me, it just doesn't work. But for you, if it did work, you would have had a nice 1 to 2. Pretty much. Asian session right there. We have this area right here, an order block. We also have fair value gap right here. So POI selection, which is key. Swept Asian high. Tapped into our first POI. Look what we get. Strong body closure, swing low being broken, huge imbalance being created right there. Okay. Entry around EQ, which is like somewhere around there. 5 pip minimum. And then a 1 to 2, which gets hit like that. So this would have been a very clean trade, and it also emphasizes why 1 to 2 is very good, because you would have been able to take your 1 to 2 and you would have been out of the trade. And right after that, it would have reversed and it would have taken you out. Now, if you're targeting 1 to 3, as you can see, you would have been taken out, and it wouldn't have been that great. So this is where backtesting comes into play. Now, if you're targeting Asian low all the way there, then yeah, I mean, it's a good risk to reward 6, but for psychology, you can take your 1 to 2 easy and just get out of the market, be done for the day. So this was the winning trade for the week, and apart from that, there weren't any trades, to be fair. So that is all for the trades and the recap on the chart. So that was the end of the video. Hope you got some value out of it. Hope you understood somewhat of how I trade and how you could potentially trade as well in the future. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and follow for more upcoming content. Happy trading. Stay safe.